The epic fail.
Yeah, that was the fail. I know I'm pretty much embarrassing myself, but...
Here, my turn. Oh, snap.
Okay,
It's his turn.
now it's my turn, guys. Oh, should I do the chair?
Yeah, sure. So he's going to do something that's kind of suicidal. You ready?
Yeah.
Wait. Go. Yeah, go. And this is our parkour video.
A little bit running.
Okay.
One more.
I know this is I know this doesn't seem much, but we're on the beginning of parkour. Woo. So that's the end of parkour 1.